Today with me, I have the Ninja SLUSHi Max. This was sent to me to try out, so I am going to give you all the information you need to know about this SLUSHi Max. Now, as you know, this is the latest one on the market. I just received this, so I still have my stickers on it. Bear with me. I wanted to show you exactly what you get and how everything works so you're familiar with it before using it for the first time. This one is the mint color and it looks beautiful on the counter. So let's go over the main parts first. Down here we have the drip tray. It's removable and washable. So this catches any drips or little splashes after you pour your drink. Now up top here is where you'll pour in your liquid. So always make sure your mix is between 24 and 112 ounces, so not less, not more, just between 24 and 112 ounces. So some parts are dishwasher safe, but this top lid should be hand washed with mild soap and water. Right before the end, I'll show you how to wash the rest of the parts. All right, so let's get closer to the control panel. Here you've got the power button, your drink settings, your Slush Assist, Slush, Spiked Max, milkshake, and frozen juice. Then we have the temperature control dial, so you can adjust how thick or thin you want your drink to be, and also how cold you want it to be. There's also a rinse option, so this will help you when cleaning the machine. You just tap rinse and add water and it'll start cleaning. So my favorite thing about this machine is the Slush Assist button. This is great because instead of having to go through all these options, all you do is just pour in your liquid. Remember, you can only add liquid in this machine, nothing else. It has to be liquid. So pour in your liquid, press Slush Assist, and the machine does the rest. So it'll sense your ingredients, let you know if you need to add more sugar or water. If everything looks good, it'll continue with making your drink. Once your drink is ready, I want to say 30 to 40 minutes, it'll print enjoy on the screen. Then pull down the lever to pour your drink. Now, when it's time to wash the unit, start by removing the top lid for hand washing. Remember, this part comes after you've rinsed the main unit. So then you lift this handle to unlock and pull out the whole container. So remember to tilt it slightly when removing, since a little liquid might still be inside. So you don't want to make a mess. Just make sure you tilt it out to remove it. Next up, you want to remove this part here. So you just gently slide it out. This is also dishwasher safe together with this top part that we just removed. Now this part here needs to be wiped down, so a damp clean cloth, wipe it down and then pull this tray out to wash it. So this is also dishwasher safe, or you can just hand wash it. So that's 3 parts ready to be dishwashed or hand washed. Next, you want to clean down here with a clean damp cloth as well. Just wipe down everything. I like to clean the sides of the machine as well. Once everything is clean and dry, you just gently slide everything back in. Make sure it's secure. And with this part here, you want to make sure you slide it in the right way. So this little pin, this hole here, is centered with this pin right here. So push that in, make sure that it's secured, then bring over the cover and also slide it in gently with the lever facing up. So push it all the way in and then press back that handle down to lock it. So real quick, to dispense your drink, this is the lever that you'll need to push down and it'll pour right out. It's very important to keep your machine running while you're dispensing your drink. And back to cleaning. So once you're done, just make sure that you wipe the outside of the machine and, also let your pots dry before putting them back in. And if you're wondering if you can actually move this thing without a lot of effort, this Ninja SLUSHi Max actually has wheels at the back. So you just lift the front a little and you roll it. There's no need to drag. So lift the front part and then use the back of the wheels to move it around.